Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dark mode is good. The background is a true black that looks great on OLED iPhones. The Photos app might just be the best part of the update. Being able to grant apps more limited location permissions is a very welcome addition.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
As always, it depends. It depends on whether you want 5G, the latest A14 chipset, and Apple's slightly new design language. If you can live without these things, then, yes, an iPhone 11 is totally worth buying in 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.